we saw these and Grant was like, oh, those look haunted. And I was like, not all Victorian homes are haunted.
But they are.
But they are, and that gave me an idea, and I think you can frame these and do something cool to give them that like spooky feel. We found the perfect frames. Yes. Okay. So these are my spooky pictures, and look at. These are gorgeous. To go with the Haunted Mansion theme inside my house. We haven't talked about that yet. And then we... No, we haven't talked about it. You and I, right here, us.
Tim very much developed the story. The concept is his, the main characters, the tone, the look.
I designed something that's sort of like the reverse of that. It's about this character who loves it and decides to try to do it himself.